Hello everyone. I am Basoka Akbar Manurung. I'm an informatics engineering student at Ganesha University of Education. Today I will give a short presentation about quantum computing. First of all, what is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a challenging topic to read, understand, and explain. Nevertheless, in the following paper, it will be explain complex characteristics of quantum computing in the most understandable way. Each year, transistors are getting smaller and they are getting closer to reach the size of the atom. Based on that, scientists exploited the quantum mechanics to create a new technology using particles smaller than an atom and with a faster behavior. Since the year 1960, the production and improvement of computers are grown so fast that they not only go more powerful, they get smaller at the same time. Nevertheless, humanity are reducing transistor incredible fast that now it is near the atom size, and the significant that our computers will reach soon the minimum are demanding every day a computer with more capacity to develop homeworks, industry, mathematics, education, edge. But the capacity of computation is also reaching its maximum. In the last year, physicists and engineers had developed quantum computers that not only enhance the capacity but also will incredibly improve the size of the futuristic PC or computer. Okay. Quantum theories are characterized for the complexity, but this disadvantage had been exploited in order to create a small and powerful computer. In the present paper, it will be explained the basic concepts to understand quantum computers that englobes the explanation of the minimum information pieces. That is the quantum bits or qubits. Also, it will be explained the principle of observation. That is the quantum bits or qubits, the superposition states, and also the entanglement. Then it will be explained the quantum models that includes the quantum gate array, quantum computer, adiabatic quantum computer, and the topological quantum computer. Technology has been changed during the last 50 years. Microprocessors become smaller and smaller, and this increases the number of transistors and also the speed rate of computation. It will be explained all the basic knowledge the reader should know in order to understand the present world. In the first point, it will be explained what a qubit and the comparison with the digital bits. In the second point, it will be explained the principle of observation. In the third point, it will be shown the superposition state, and finally the entanglement stage. Okay. First, digital bits and quantum bits, and the second is the principle of observation, and the third is superposition stage, and the fourth is entanglement. We talk about quantum computing models. Although every quantum computing developed up until the today works with the same basic principle and can be considered theoretically equivalent. There are many possible approaches in order to perform quantum computing. Is quantum gate array, and the second is one-way quantum computer, and the third is adiabatic quantum computer, and the fourth is topological quantum computer. Okay. Next, we will talk about physical implementation and this. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my explanation about quantum computing. Okay. And the last word, I say thank you and goodbye.